What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung has promised to rewrite the future of smartphones once again. The company teases with the announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Next month at Unpacked we will see the most amazing Galaxy S device Samsung has ever made. Instead of Galaxy, Samsung will have Super Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra promotional video which is stated, "Are you ready to break the rules?" Tai Mundro, head of Samsung's mobile division, has published a long post of the company's official blog, confirming that the next Unpacked event will take place in February. His message is accompanied by a teaser video, which is officially published today. Tai Mundro promises that next month at Unpacked we will see the most amazing Galaxy S series device that Samsung has ever made. He also added, "The next generation of Galaxy S is here, bringing together the best of our Samsung Galaxy experience in our perfect device." Yes, Samsung is also hinting that the Note line, which it died in 2021, is returning this year, but already as part of the Galaxy S family. Rumors have long circulated that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is very similar in style to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In addition to the appearance, the smartphone will receive a built-in stylus with the lowest latency in history. Tai Mundro's blog post ends with a Tai Mundro saying, "Get ready for the ultimate Ultra experience." It also confirmed that the flagship smartphone will be called the Galaxy S22 Ultra and not the Galaxy S22 Ultra Note as some rumors have indicated. This device will allow you to conquer the night with the best of the most vibrant photos and videos you have ever taken with your phone and dominate the day with power and speed and many other tools you won't find anywhere else. You will also be able to enjoy cutting-edge innovation made possible by the smartest Galaxy experience ever, but there are no details yet. In the end, Tai Mundro stated that fans will help Samsung rewrite the future of smartphones once again. Ice Universe also commented on this video. Two galaxies collided to form a new Super Galaxy. In the video, there are two smartphones shown, with more round edges and a rectangular one, and are also asked if we are ready to break the rules. It is almost obvious that we are talking about the merger of the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note series, which will result in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, last year the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was released with support for the S Pen stylus. But this year the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a stylus storage compartment in the case, which will make it even more similar to the Galaxy Note. The source reports that Samsung will deploy the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Samsung Exynos 2200 in parallel depending on the market, renewed 108 megapixel main camera with 12-bit HDR support, curved AMOLED panel with 2K resolution, and support of 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. According to Ice Universe, the new Galaxy S22 series of flagship smartphones and Galaxy Tab S8 flagship tablets will be officially launched on February 9. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.